Hello everyone, I am Natasha and I will introduce you to my webpage. So this is the home view and I add here 4 images. As you can see are slide images, so from time to time they change and show you different place for the agency. The purpose of my webpage is agency from design or marketing, and the purpose is help to other companies get his own logo or his branding on something like that. So in the work team I add is the supposed group that work in the agency, and it's a little presentation for each one and pictures of the group. So here in the work I decide to put some works that the company could create for other companies, and I decide this design because I like it. And I a little explanation here in those 2 logos. Also, I add this community service link. The principal idea here is to help the people works on the street with his products made for free, a banner or something like that, to help to increase his sales. And the last option, contact us, a form to fill, and where we are, a little map here, the phone, the email, and the address. Below here is the footer. As you can see in each page, it's the same style. I can't show the last part. Okay. So justify why I decided these colors on my web page, because it's a page for design and I'm trying to show the users that we have happiness. And also what you learn the most and what's the most difficult. Well, I think in this class I can learn more about HTML and how I can distribute better the spaces, all the stuff. I think the most difficult part for me was when I tried to create community service. My image and all the stuff that I add here, it was a little displaced from the center, and I don't know why, because I have the same design in my other pages, but I have to use less margin here to center the page and less margin in over top. But I think I did a good job and I like my page. As I say, I could understand better how HTML works with this class. So this is my video presentation, and thanks for watching.